Alright, let's be real. If you've ever played Call of Duty on mouse and keyboard, you know controller players have that built-in aim assist advantage. But what if I told you there's a way to get that same aim assist while using mouse and keyboard? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's actually real, and it's called Virtue. Okay, stop. If you're buying anything from Virtue, you need to hear this. Right after you press checkout, there's this little box that says referral code, and if you type in squish, that's my referral code, you're automatically entered into a giveaway for lifetime keys. It's super easy, it's super simple. Add your items to the cart, click checkout, type in squish in the referral box, and boom, you're in for the biggest giveaway Virtue has to offer. Now, let's get back to the video. So you're probably wondering, what is Virtue? Well, Virtue is a tool that lets you get that sweet sticky aim assist on mouse and keyboard in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. No, it's not a traditional cheat. No, it's not an aimbot. It's literally just aim assist, but for mouse and keyboard. Think of it as leveling the playing field against controller players who have that built-in advantage. Okay, now I'm inside the firing range. As you can see, I don't have a controller connected. If I go to my settings and the only input device I have is my mouse, it's grayed out. I cannot change it. As you can see, I have 0 aim assist too. It's just normal mouse and keyboard, right? Okay, so our software works like this. As you can see, I have this game controllers tab open here and Virtue in itself open right here. And if I had a controller connected with a USB cable, it would show up here, but I don't. And that's why there's nothing here. But the way this remapper works is I'm going to press this engine on. And as you can see, this controller Xbox 360 showed up here, which means the program is working and my PC thinks I have a controller plugged in while I actually don't. Okay, now we're back in Call of Duty, and if I go to my settings tab, you can see I have a new input device available, and it's actually the controller. And if I back out real quick, you can see it's right now it's enabled, and it's absolutely working perfectly. It's sticking right where the dummies are. You know, you can see my mouse cam right over here. I'm not even moving my mouse, and look how it sticks. Like, the aim assist is super overpowered. I also want to preface this that this thing has absolutely 0 delay, like it's perfect, it's very responsive, and you cannot get banned because of it. It's not that deep, it's not like aimbot or anything. It just thinks you have a controller plugged in, like it's really that simple. Okay, now I want to talk to you guys about the program itself and how it looks like, how it operates, and so on and so forth. So the most important thing you want to check when you get Virtue is this little power button right here, which basically enables or disables the device. For me, it's equals. You can change it to space, you can change it to enter, you can change it to whatever you like. But for me, I use equals. For the other keybinds, everything is pre-made, so once you have it, it should be like your most normal keybinds, like the space and, you know, the switch weapons and so on and so forth. But for whatever reason you want to change it, you can change it like this. So you want to press, you know, I don't know, the A button, you go here and you change it here. You can, if you jump on tab, or you jump with shift, or you jump with caps. I jump with space. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the keybinds. These little knobs right here are a very simple: dead zone, you know, horizontal or vertical sensitivity, double movement, and the noise filter. These two are more a bit advanced, but you can check out for more information in our Discord, which is down below in the description. I advise you to join it and be a part of this little program right here. For the config, here are my configs. You can have for Apex Legends, for Fortnite, for Warzone, for Call of Duty, for Black Ops 6. I have them right here. You know, this one's for Apex, like this one's for Warzone. That's pretty much it. Okay, the scripts tab is a bit more advanced than the other parts, so let's go through them. We have the YY macro, which basically, you know, switches your weapons very fast. Yeah, I'll show you some gameplay footage. It's hotkey to 2 because switch weapons is also 2 on my keyboard, and it just spams like the keybind, and that's pretty much it for that macro. We have the auto ping macro, which basically pings an enemy every time you start shooting, so you can see them kind of through walls, which is kind of, you know, cheatsy, but it's a game mechanic. It's nothing, you know, too insane. It's just pretty much that little red dot you see above enemies' heads when you're playing the game. Of course, we have the sticky aim assist, which is basically a better performance for aim assist. It makes your aim assist a bit better. It makes your aim assist a bit stickier. Which is, you know, you can use it if you want it, but, you know, you don't have to use it if you don't want it. But yeah, to enable the function, you press this little check mark here, and the hotkey is right click. So every time you hold your right click, it enables this script. And of course, you have the anti-recoil script, which may be self-explanatory, make sure recoil go to 0. Of course, you check this, and I'll put my hotkey as right click right over here, and I'm gonna press save. And parachute macro, which basically gives you 2x sensitivity when you're dropping, so you have more controller over your positioning in Warzone when you're jumping out of the plane or helicopter. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for our software. The only things I want to mention is, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below, as well as join the Discord. The link is down in the description. And if you're buying something from the Virtues website, use my referral code SQUISH, as you might win something big in the near future. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you around.